Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 6 for the chapter 1 ratio and proportion, indices, logarithms. In the previous lecture, we have studied about theory and examples of logarithms. In this session, we will solve the questions of logarithms. Now, summarize the lecture. Log mn is equal to log m plus log n. So, log 2 into 3 is equal to log 2 plus log 3. Log m divided by n. So, log m minus log n. Log 3 by 2. Log 3 minus log 2. Log m raised to n is equal to n into log m. So, log 2 cube is equal to 3 log 2. Log a to the base a is equal to 1. Log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Same way, log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. Log 3 base to the base 3 is equal to 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. Log a to the base b multiply with log b to the base a. For example, log 2 to the base 3 into log 3 to the base 2 is equal to 1. Log a to the base b into log b to the base c is equal to log a to the base c. Log 2 to the base 3 log 3 to the base 5 is equal to log 2 to the base 5. Log a to the base b. So, log a log b multiply with log b by log c. Log b cancel. So, log a by log c. So, we can write log c log a to the base c. Next, log a to the base b is equal to log a by log b. Log a to the base b is equal to 1 upon log b to the base a. A raised to log x to the base a is equal to x. The two equations ax is equal to n and x is equal to log n are only transformation of each other and should be remembered to change one form of the relation into the other, since a1 is equal to a, log a to the base a is equal to 1. If base is understood, base is taken as 10. Thus, log 10 is equal to 1, log 1 is equal to 0. Logarithm using base 10 is called common logarithm, and logarithm using base e is called natural logarithm when e is equal to 2.33 approximately, called exponential number. Now, we will solve the questions based on logarithms. Log 6 plus log 5 is expressed as log 6 plus log 5. So, use log multiplication 6 into 5 is equal to log 3, 0. So, answer is B, log 30. Next question. Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to log 8 to the base 2 is equal to Instead of 8, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 cube. So log 2 cube. So 3 here, 3 into log 2 is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So answer is C, 3. Next, log 32 by 4 is equal to log 32 by 4 is equal to log 32 minus log 4. Simple. Here we are using log A by B is equal to log A minus log B property. Next, log 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to, so log A multiply with B, then we can write log A plus log B. Here 3 values are given, so log 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3. So answer is A. Next, the value of log 0.0001 to the base 0.1. This question is given in descriptive form. So we can write log, here base is given 0.1, 0.001, 0.001. So we can write 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 by 10 raised to 4. Instead of 0.1, we can write 1 by 10. So put the value, 1 by 10 base, 1 by 10, 4, 4 here, log A to the base A is equal to 1. So value of this is 1. So 4 into 1, 4. So answer is B. Next, if 2 log x is equal to 4 log 3, then x is equal to 2 log x, 2 log x is equal to 4 log 3. So find out the x. So log x is equal to 4 log 3, 2 in denominator, 2 2s are 4, 2 log 3. We can write log 3 square. So log x is equal to 3 square means 9, log 9. Log cancel, so x is equal to 9. So answer is B. Next, log root 2 64 is equal to log root 2 64. 64 base to the base root 2. Root 2 is base. So 64 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64. 1, 2, 3 means 6. 2 raised to 6. So 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 6. So, root 2 square, 6 2s are 12. So, root 2 raised to 12. Here we can put the value of 64 in the form of root 2. Root 2 raised to 12. Here log root 2, the base root 2, base root 2 to the base root 2 is equal to 1. So 1 12 into 1. So answer is 12. Answer is 12. Next, log 1728 to the base 2 root 3 is equal to 1728. 1728. So 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 2, 4s are 8, 2 3s are 2 2s are. Convert 1728 into 2 and root 3 form. 2 2s are 4, 1 6, 2 2 5s are 10, 4s are 2 27, 3 9, 3 3 3. Last one. So here 2 is 6 times and 3 is 3 times. So log 1728 log 2 raised to 6 into 3 cube. Here we require root 3. We require root 3. So 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3. Here 3 cube. So root 3 into root 3 cube. So root 3 into root 3. So root 3 square cube is equal to root 3 raised to 6. So we can put 2 raised to 6 into 3 cube is equal to root 3 raised to 6 is equal to log 6 here. So log 2 root 3 log a to the base a is equal to 1, same as log 2 root 3 to the base 2 root 3 is equal to 1. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6. So answer is C, 6. Next, log 1 upon 1 by 81 to the base 9 is equal to log 1 by 81 to the base 9. So is equal to 4 log a by b. We can write log a minus log b, same as log 1 to the base 9 minus log 81 to the base 9. Log 1 is 0 for any base minus log 81. So convert 81 in the form of 9. 9 9s are 81 is equal to 9 square. So instead of 81 write 9 square minus 2 here log 9 to the base 9 is equal to 1. So minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Log 9 to the base 9 is equal to 1. So answer is minus 2c. Next question. Log 0.0625 to the base 2 is equal to 0.0625 to the base 2 is equal to write log 0.0625 to the base 2. Six to 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 0. 6 to 5 by 10,000 is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 2000, 5 25s are 5, 400, 5 5s are 5, 8s are 80s are, so 5 16s are. So 6 to 5 by 10,000 is equal to 1 upon 16. So write 16 in the form of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. 1 upon 2 raised to 4. Put the value of 0.0625 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to 4 in this is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 4 is equal to log 2. We can write 2 minus 4. So minus 4 log to the base 2 is equal to minus 4 into 1. So answer is minus 4. Answer is minus 4. So answer is D. None of these. Next. Given log 2 is equal to 0.3010 and log 3 is equal to 0.4771. The value of log 6 is here. Log 2 is equal to 0.3010 given. Log 3 is equal to 0.4771 given. Find out the value of log 6. So, for log 6 is equal to, convert 6 into 2 and 3 form. 2 into 3 means 6. So, here we can apply log 2 plus log 3. Put the value of log 2 0.3010 and put the value of log 3 0.4771 is equal to 0 plus 1 1, 7 plus 1 8, 7 plus 0 7, 4 plus 3 7. So answer is 0.7781. So answer is C. Next question. The value of log 16 to the base 2, log log 3 times log 16. Here base is 2. So convert 16 in the form of 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. We can write 2 raised to 4 instead of 16. So put the value of 16 into this 2 raised to 4. So log to the base 2, log to the base 2, here 4 into log to the base 2. Here log to the base 2 is equal to 1. So log 4 into 1. So 4. 4 convert 4 into the form of 2. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. So 2 square. So log to the base 2, log to the base 2 of 2 square. So we can write 2 here 2 log to the base 2. So 2 into 1 2. So log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. So answer is 1 C. Next, the value of log 1 by 3 to the base 9. Log 1 by 3 to the base 9. Here we can write log 1 by 3 by log 9. Also we can write log a by b. So log 1 minus log 3 by log. Convert 9 into form of 3. 3 3s are 9. So 3 square. Log 3 square is equal to log 1 means 0 minus log 3. Here we can write 2 into log 3. So minus log 3, 2 into log 3 cancel. So answer is minus 1 by 2. So answer is A. Next question. Log x plus log y is equal to log in the bracket x plus y. Y can be expressed as log, if log x plus log y is equal to log in the bracket x plus y is given. So y can be expressed as, so write log x plus log y is equal to log x plus y given. So instead of this we can write log x into y. Here log x plus y. So we can cancel log. So x into y is equal to x plus y. So x y is equal to x plus y. Y can be expressed as, so y is equal to xy minus x. So x common, sorry, we have to find out the y. So xy minus y is equal to x. So y common, x minus 1 is equal to x. So y is equal to x upon x minus 1. So answer is C, x upon x minus 1. Next question. The value of log 2 square bracket log 2 curly bracket log to the base 3 small bracket log 27 to the base 3, 27 cube to the base 3, small bracket complete, curly complete and square bracket complete. Now start with small bracket. First convert 27 into 3 form. 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 cube. So here 27 cube is given. So 3 cube. So 3 3s are 9. 3 raised to 9. Instead of 27 cube, we can write 3 raised to 9. Log to the base 2, log to the base 2, log 3, here log 3, 3 raised to 9 to the base 3. So 2 log 2 curly bracket log 3, 9 log 3 to the base 3 is equal to 1. So 9 into 1 9. So bracket complete. 9. Convert 9 in the form of 3. So 9 is equal to 3 square. Put the value of 9 3 square into this. So log 2 the log 3 square to the base 3. Here log 2 the base 2 log to the base 2 2 log is equal to 3 to the base 3 is equal to 1. So 2 log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. Log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. So log 1 is equal to 0. So answer is C, 0. Next question. If log x to the base 2 plus log x to the base 4 plus log x to the base 16 is equal to 21 by 4, this x is equal to so write down first log x to the base 2 log x to the base 4 plus log x to the base 16 is equal to 21 by 4 is given. So here we can write log x by log 2 plus log x by log 4 plus log x by log 16 is equal to 21 by 4. 4 means 2 square, 16 means 2 raised to 4. So log x common 1 upon log 2 plus 1 upon log 4 means log 2 square plus 1 upon log 2 raised to 4 is equal to 21 by 4. So log x 1 upon log 2, 2 here 2, log 2 square, base is 10, common base 10. So log x 1 upon log 2 plus 1 upon 2 into log 2 plus 1 upon 4 log 2 is equal to 21 by 4. So log x by log 2 common, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 21 by 4. Here LCM is 4. So take LCM. 4 plus 2, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 upon 4, 21 by 4. So log x upon log 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 by 4 is equal to 21 by 4. So log x upon log 2 is equal to 21 by 4 into 4 by 7. 4 cancel, 7 3s are 21. So log x is equal to 3 into log 2. Log x is equal to log 2 cube. So log 2 cube means 8. Log cancel. So x is equal to 8 is answer. So answer is A 8. Now next question. Given that log 2 to the base 10 is equal to x, log 2 base 10 is equal to x, log 3 base 10 is equal to y. The value of log 60 to the base 10 is expressed as. Here find out the log 60. So log 60 in form of 2 and 3. So we can write 2 3s are 6 into 10 is equal to log 60. So log 2 to the base 10 plus log 3 to the base 10 plus log 10 to the base 10. Log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Here log 2 to the base 10 is equal to x is given. So value x. Log 3 to the base 10. So given is equal to y is given. So put the value y plus log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. So answer is x plus y plus 1 B. So answer is x plus y plus 1. Next, given that log 2 to the base 10 is equal to x, log 3 to the base 10 is equal to y. So find out log 1.2 to the base 10. Here x, log 2 to the base 10 is equal to x given, log 3 to the base 10 is equal to y is given. So find out log 1.2 to the base 10. Log 1.2 is equal to 1.2. So we can write log log 1.2 means 12 by 10. So log base 10, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 by 10. So 2 square into 3 by 10 is equal to log 10 2 square, multiplication means plus, log 3 minus division, so minus log 10 to the base 10, 2 into log 2 to the base 10 plus log 3 to the base 10 minus log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 2 into log 2 given x, 2x plus log 3 is given y minus here log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. So 2x plus y minus 1. So answer is C. Next question. Given that log x is equal to m plus n, log x is equal to m plus n, log y is equal to m minus n. The value of log 10x upon y square expressed in terms of m and n. Here log 10x upon y square, find out the value of log 10x upon y square. So we can write log 10x plus log y square. So log 10 into x, so log 10 plus log x plus log y square, so 2 log y. Here common base is 10, so log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1, so put the value 1. Log x is equal to m plus n plus 2 log y m minus n, so 1 plus m plus n plus 2m minus 2n is equal to 1 plus 2m plus m, 3m minus 2n plus n, so 1 plus 3m minus n, 1 plus 3m minus n. So answer is D, none of these. The simplified value of 2 log 5 plus log 8 minus 1/2 log 4 is equal to, here 2 log 5 plus log 8 minus 1/2 log 4. So we can write log 5 square plus log 8 minus log 4 raised to 1 by 2, log 25 plus log 8 minus log square root of 4 is 2. So plus sign is here. So log 25 into 8 by 2. 2 2s are, sorry, 2 4s are 8. So log 25 into 4, 100, log 10, 100 means 10 square. So 2 log 10 to the base 10. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So answer is C, 2. Next question. Log 1 minus curly bracket 1 minus small bracket 1 minus x square raised to minus 1 raised to minus 1 minus 1 by 2. So first we have to solve this bracket. Log 1 minus x square raised to minus 1. So we can write 1 upon 1 minus x square minus 1 half. So log 1 minus x square minus 1 upon 1 minus x square raised to minus 1 minus 1 half. So log 1 minus, here 1 minus 1 cancel, so minus x square by 1 minus x square, minus x square by 1 minus x square raised to minus 1 by 2. Log 1 minus minus plus minus 1 raised to minus 1 is here, so we can write 1 minus x square by x square minus 1 by 2. Log x square plus 1 minus x square by x square raised to minus 1 by 2. X square minus x square and minus x square cancel. So log 1 upon x square raised to minus 1 by 2 is equal to log x raised to minus 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 cancel, minus minus plus. So log x. So answer is B, log x. Next, the simplified value of log fourth root of 7293 under root of 9 raised to minus 1 into 27 raised to minus 4 by 3. So first we have to simplify 9 raised to 729 and here cube root of 9 raised to minus 1 into 27 minus 4 by 3. First find out the cube root of 9 raised to minus 1 into 27 minus 4 by 3. So 9 means 3 square. 1 upon 3 square 1 upon 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, so 3 cube 4 by 3 raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 3 3 cancel, 1 upon 3 square into 3 raised to 4, so 3 raised to 2 plus 4 1 by 3 raised to 1 by 3, 1 upon 3 raised to 6, so 3 raised to minus 6, 3 raised to minus 6 raised to 1 by 3, 3 2s are 6, so 3 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 square. Now put the value. Fourth root of 729 into cube root of 9 minus 1 into 27 minus 4 by 3 is equal to 729 into 1 upon 3 square raised to 1 by 4. 729 means 81 nines are 81 nines are into 1 upon 3 square 1 by 4 is equal to 3 square means 9, 9 cancel, 81 raised to 1 by 4. Here 81 raised to 1 by 4. 381 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3 raised to 4, 1 by 4, 4 4 cancel is equal to 3. So answer is 3. Here log is here, so answer is, take the log of 729 to cube root of 9 minus 1 into 27 minus 4 by 3. Simplification of this is 3. So here log and put the value of this 3. So answer is log 3. A. Now next question. The value of log a to the base b into log b to the base c into log c to the base a cube is equal to. Here we can write log b a to the base b into log b to the base c into log c to the base a cube. So we can write log a by log b into log b by log c into log c by log a. Log a cancel, log b cancel, log c cancel. Here cube. So 1 cube is equal to 1. So answer is C, 1. Next question. The logarithm of 64 to the base 2 root 2 is log 64 to the base 2 root 2. Here 64 means 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64. We require 2 root 2. We required 2 root 2. So 2 raised to 4 and 2 square. So 2 root 2 raised to 4. 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. Here 2 square. So root 2 square square. So root 2 raised to 4. So we can write instead of 64 2 root 2 raised to 4 log 2 root 2 raised to 4. 4 here, log 2 root 2 to the base 2 root 2. So log a to the base a is equal to 1. So we can write 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So answer is here. So answer is 4. None of this. The value of 25 to the base 8 is 8 given log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Here log 25 to the base 8. So 25 is equal to 100 by 4. So 10 by 2 square, and 8 means 2 cube. So we can write, take base as 10. 25 by 8, log 8 by to the base 10. So log, instead of 25, write 10 by 2 square by log 8. 2 log 10, 10 minus log 2 to the base 10, log 2 cube instead of 8 is equal to 2 log 10 to the base 10 means 1 minus log 2 by 3 into log 2 to the base 10. Here log 2 is equal to 0.3010 given. So 2 by 3, 1 minus 0.3010 divided by 0.3010. Here 1 into 2, 2 minus 0.200, 2 ones are 2, 2 0, 2 3s are 6, so 6020 by multiply with 3, 0 3 0, 3 3s are 9, 0.9030, 2 minus 0.6020, 0.6020, 0 to 1, 10, 9, 9. Sorry, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 9, 9 minus 6, 3. 1.3980. 1.3980 divided by 0.9030 is equal to, if you divide 1.3980 divided by 0.9030, we will get the value 1.5482. So answer is 1.5482. This chapter is over here. In the next session, we will start the chapter number 2. So see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.